It's stuffed in there good.
What in the world?
It's a monkey.
You're a monkey.
It's a monkey pillow.
Can you get it? Here, hold the monkey and I'll hold this one. You pull. Harder. Go.
Oh my goodness.
Monkey backpack.
Yeah.
She's cute.
Yeah.
What is that?
There's something in here. It's a blanket.
Mm-hmm.
Can I get it out?
Sure.
Oh, like a monkey blanket too. Matches.
So you got a monkey blankie
Oh,
with a monkey pillow. You can fold it up for when you go for overnight someplace.
Uh-huh. It's a monkey blanket. I will sleep with it.
You will sleep with that?
Yeah.
Look at mommy. What do you say to Grandma and Baba?
Thank you.